Marble Beach and its surroundings, a hidden gem of Sri Lanka's east coast. Introduction. Sri Lanka, often referred to as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, is a country rich in cultural heritage, lush landscapes, and unspoiled coastlines. While the southern and western beaches of the island have long been popular tourist destinations, the eastern coast remains a treasure trove of relatively undiscovered beauty. Among the many spectacular sights in the east, one place that stands out for its serenity, clarity, and charm is Marble Beach, located near the port city of Trincomalee. Known for its glassy turquoise waters, golden sands, and peaceful atmosphere, Marble Beach and its surrounding areas offer a unique blend of natural splendor and cultural depth. This essay explores the multifaceted beauty of Marble Beach, including its physical characteristics, nearby attractions, historical significance, and its growing appeal as a sustainable tourism destination. The allure of Marble Beach. Marble Beach, locally known as Marble Bay, is located about 17 kilometers south of Trincomalee. It forms part of a crescent-shaped bay shielded by surrounding hills, making its waters unusually calm and inviting. Unlike many other beaches that are open to the rough seas, Marble Beach is nestled within a natural cove, providing a tranquil and safe environment for swimming and snorkeling. The name Marble Beach is derived from the unique way in which the sunlight reflects off the calm sea, giving the illusion of a marble-like surface. This shimmering visual effect, combined with the clarity of the water, creates a truly surreal experience. The sand is soft and clean, ideal for sunbathing, beach walks, or simply relaxing with a book while listening to the gentle sound of the waves. What sets Marble Beach apart is its sense of peaceful isolation. Despite its growing popularity, it remains less crowded than many other tourist hotspots. This provides visitors with the rare opportunity to experience nature in its purest form, undisturbed by excessive commercialization. 2. Rich history and colonial echoes. Though its beauty is undeniable, Marble Beach is also steeped in history. The Trincomalee region has been a significant strategic port for centuries, attracting various colonial powers including the Portuguese, Dutch, French, and British. Marble Beach was once a recreational site for British Royal Air Force officers stationed nearby during the colonial period. Old military installations, remnants of barracks, and observation towers near the beach hint at this historical legacy. A short drive from Marble Beach takes visitors to Fort Frederick, a fort originally built by the Portuguese in 1624 and later modified by the Dutch and British. Today, it still houses military personnel, but is open to tourists who wish to explore its ramparts, colonial architecture, and panoramic views of the Indian Ocean. The fort offers a visual connection between past and present, bridging centuries of maritime history.